Hi, this is Ash Sahani with Keller Williams. Welcome to my newest listing at 2 Mahogany Lane in San Ramon. Come on in for a tour. Welcome home. This property is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with an additional loft. It is a little over 2,100 square feet and it is located in the desirable East Hampton neighborhood in San Ramon. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Once again, this is Ash Sahani with Keller Williams. If you have any questions regarding this property or any other property, please feel free to contact me. Have a great day.